In this video, I'll show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 crashing on PC. Now first what we want to try is simply just find the Counter-Strike, go to Properties, Installed Files, and verify integrity of game files. Now after you've done that, what you can try is come in here, go to Properties again, and go to the launch options and type -Vulkan. Now for some people this will make the game a little bit laggy, and for others this will help solve the issue. So just type this and try and go into a private game with bots or something and see if it works. If it doesn't work, just come back and remove this. Now after you've done that, what you can do is come in here, Properties, Installed Files, go to Browse, find Game, Bin, Windows 64, CS2. In here you can right click Properties, Compatibility, and then you can run this program in compatibility mode for, and then choose Windows 8, see if this works. If it doesn't, remember to remove it again, because we don't want to mess it more up. And then you can also try with disable full screen optimizations, apply, OK, and see if this works. Now after you've tried both this one and the full screen optimizations, what you can do is you can try and allow it through your firewall. So search for Windows Defender Firewall. In here you want to allow an app. Come in here and change settings, allow another app, browse, and then find the one. It's usually under your Steam apps, common, global offensive, game, bin, Windows 64, and then this one. Press open and add it. Now I already have it in here somewhere, so you can just find it here. Make sure private and public is on. And after you've done that, what you can do is come to your desktop, right click anywhere, display settings, scroll down and find graphic settings. In here make sure you turn on your GPU scheduling, hardware accelerated, turn it on, and find Counter-Strike from in here. Do the exact same as the firewall in here. Go into the folder, select CS2, I already have it added. Then you want to select it, Options, High Performance. Now after you've done that, what you can do is you can try and come down here and go to Device Manager. In Device Manager you want to find your GPU, right click on it and update the driver. Now after you've done all of these steps, and if it still doesn't work, the last option is simply do a reinstall of Counter-Strike. So just uninstall it. You can do it from the Steam or you can do it from in here. Simply find Counter-Strike, uninstall, and then reinstall it. Now I really hope any of these fixed your issue. If they did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.